We just saw how to update an existing record using update set where, but using that syntax we have to update the whole value of a record. We cannot, for instance, find all the records with a certain text somewhere in them and change that throughout the table, while leaving the rest of the value unchanged in each one. To do this, we need a different command, replace. In order to demonstrate this, we need more records with text we want to replace. Let's begin by changing the record containing creative back to reactive, and then add some more records with reactive in them. And then having done that, we'll use replace to change them all to creative in one go. So first change creative back to reactive. And to practice your knowledge of MySQL, do this on the command line, not by clicking on the value. The item ID you need for the where clause is 4. The query you need is update items, set item name equals reactive sound blast to sound card, where item ID equals 4. Now use an insert command to insert these 4 more item records, all containing the word reactive in the item name, but with other text differing in each record. So this is an insert into command, insert into items, then inside parentheses the 2 columns item name and item price. Remember, we don't need to put item ID because that will be done automatically. Then the keyword values, and then the sets of parentheses, 1 set for each record. I find it easier sometimes to put all the parentheses and then all the quotes in first, and then add the data in afterwards. Makes it easier to see what we're doing, I think. And then all the values. I've speeded this up. You can pause it if you need to at the end to see what they are. And press go at the end to insert that. Let's say that all these products had been entered into the database incorrectly by someone, and we want to change them all to creative. The syntax to do this is update table name, set column name equals replace, and then inside parentheses the column name, comma, the old value, comma, the new value. So in this case, reactive, comma, creative. You do it first. And the answer is update items, set item name equals, replace item name, comma, reactive, comma, creative inside parentheses. Press go. And all 5 occurrences of reactive have been replaced with creative in one go, but the rest of each field has been left unchanged. You can appreciate that this is very useful for a whole range of tasks, from correcting mistakes to updating data en masse. One thing to notice, though, is that replace is case sensitive. Even though the database collation is case insensitive, replace will only work on strings which exactly match the case given. As far as I know, this is the only MySQL function which behaves like this. All the others, I believe, are case insensitive. So far, we've not made any structural changes to our tables. Sometimes we might need to change their structure after they've been created, and we'll look at how to do this next.